And welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, very good afternoon, everyone.
Very good afternoon. I'm so excited today. I know what you're making. I don't know what you call it.
I don't know how this one called too.
Yeah.
It's kind of in Japan we call chukahan or tenshinhan. It's kind of donburi idea.
Okay.
Stuff over the rice. So on top of the rice, ingredient is right here. We're gonna use again Alaskan red crab meats.
Okay.
And the several vegetable. I have here the carrots, onion, snow pea, shiitake mushroom, enoki mushroom, and the scallion.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use eggs. And then here's a fish roast.
Okay.
So this one, as you we made it before, the dashi kobu and the bonito flake, that stuff.
Okay.
But instead, also you can use this one. This is made by scallops.
Okay.
So kind of fish stock, you can make it easily too. So first one, I'm gonna do these ingredients. First, I'm gonna put into the saute wok.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put in saute a little bit, and then add the dashi soup, and I'm gonna add the mirin and soy sauce to adjustment of the flavor.
Okay.
Then after I'm gonna drop the eggs. Then after I use a cornstarch to make soup a little bit thicker.
Okay, very good.
Then put it over the rice.
All right, let's do it, Hiro.
Okay.
Ready.
Sure. Okay. Let's start to saute parts.
Okay. Now you want this to be around 400 degrees, I guess?
Yeah, it's just making hot.
Hot, okay, very good.
Put just a little bit of oil.
Okay.
You don't need too much. This is
This is mozzarella corn oil.
quickly onions.
These carrots are boiled already or no?
No, still raw.
Oh, wow, okay.
Little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm gonna add the soup.
Now that's about a little more than halfway. So that's 32 ounces, so what? That's maybe 20 ounces or so?
Yeah. And then
Okay.
I'm gonna add the crab.
Okay. This is Alaskan King Crab
King
Legs,
crab
courtesy
legs.
of John from North Carolina. Thank you again. Can't thank you enough, John. We've made so many delicious recipes with your crab meat.
Right. And I'm gonna start add the soy sauce,
Okay.
the mirin. Then after this time, I'm gonna test a little bit
Okay.
flavor, check the flavor. It's so very good.
Very good. Very good.
Very
Okay.
good, very good.
And you bring it to a boil?
Yeah, I just make it boil.
Okay.
Okay, and then put in the scallion. First a little bit scallion first. At the moment, I'm gonna crack in the egg.
So 3 eggs, huh, Hiro?
Yes, I'm gonna enjoy everything.
Okay.
Maybe 2 or 3, but
Yeah, do 3. It's a big
do
bowl.
3.
So you want to scramble it?
Yeah, yeah.
Just beat it?
Gotta beat it like that.
Okay.
And then the egg in it, like an egg drop soup.
Egg drop soup. Okay.
Like that.
Egg drop soup. I love egg drop soup.
You like egg drop soup?
Yeah, I enjoy it. Well, I enjoy the whole donburi, you know? Donburi dish is so good.
And after that, I add a little bit of cornstarch.
Okay. So basically a thickening agent again, as you heard Hiro say. Don't put too much, you don't want it
Don't
too
put
thick.
too much first. Little by little.
Mm-hmm.
Just a soup, make it a little bit thicker.
And once it's hot, it looks like it's very liquidy, but once it cools down, it becomes very, very thick.
You can see that.
Yeah, you can see it.
Thick.
Yeah.
The egg making a little bit of thickness too, you know.
Sure.
But I need to more a little bit extra. Okay, that's it. That's it. And then just heat it up. Okay, I got rice. Still rice here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put of course this is enough for the I can make several dishes, but like that.
Oh yes, you do. At
Oh,
least
but the
one for me,
rice.
Hiro. That looks so good. I can't wait to try this.
Look at
Look at
this.
this dish.
A lot of crabs, you know.
Unbelievably beautiful looking dish. It's so simple. You made this in no time.
Yeah. Very easy.
5 minutes, huh?
About 5 minutes. Everything, all ingredients, you cut and everything.
Yes.
Those times a little bit you need to
Cooking time about
cooking
5
time.
minutes.
But yeah, cooking time is very very faster.
Yep.
Like that, and then you can put the little bit of scallion, maybe fresh scallion, the small parts,
Okay.
just for the color. Put on the top. Okay, that's it.
Wow.
I don't know what exactly I should call this one. Very crab soup donburi. I don't know.
Donburi.
Yeah, just like this, you know.
Looks so good. It's like home cooking.
Yeah, home cooking style.
Yeah, home cooking style.
And then I didn't add the sesame oil, but this is additional. If you like, you can put the sesame oil before you put the egg and the cornstarch.
Okay. Very good, Hiro.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, I'm going to try this. I can't wait.
Sure.
Looks so good. If you guys like this at home, try it. Also, give us a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you very soon. Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you.
The best part of all,
Yes.
the tasting part. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's enjoy.
Okay. I'm gonna get these parts. Crab and everything here. Okay.
Mm.
I think you will like it, this one.
You don't like it?
It's might you need to maybe a little bit more soy sauce or
It's very
So-
hot. You should get some of this crab legs. Wow, look at this.
very light flavor.
Light flavor, right?
Yeah, light flavor.
Looks so good, Hiro. Mouth is literally watering. Hold on. It's got the texture of like more cooked, kind of like risotto with the seafood. Very, very light. I love the lightness. I taste some mushrooms and the egg. It's so good, and of course the crab meat. Light in soy sauce, the flavor. But it's great. Very fluffy. So good. You know the best part, Hiro? I know the rice is fresh.
Yeah.
People could just heat up like maybe rice from the day before. Heat in the microwave and just put this on top. So many applications for this type of dish. And of course I love the scallions. Wow, this is so good. Lower bite in camera. Look at this crab meat and this egg. Wow, this is a beautiful piece.
In case, of course, you can use instead of real crab, imitation crab or shrimp.
I think shrimp would be better. And then do imitation. Do some shrimp. Hiro, can't wait to finish the rest of this with you. And there's all this left over too.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you very much.
See you soon.
See you soon.